Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Ollama has released a new version, and with that new release we have three cool things. First and foremost, now we have the support for MiniCPM vision model. We also have support now for G-Coder model plus DeepSeek version 2.5. I'll be covering all these three in separate videos, but for me, I think the biggest takeaway or the biggest attraction is this mini CPM vision model. If you don't know what mini CPM vision model is, I already have done various videos on this series of model. It's a compact yet quite powerful model when it comes to vision and also general tasks. If you go to its Hugging Face, they have provided a lot of good information about this model, and you can browse through and check out various details about it. For example, the latest version, this version 2.6, is the latest and most capable model in this series. This model is built on SIGLib 400 million and UNTO 7 billion with a total of 8 billion parameters. When it comes to multi-image video understanding and then OCR, this model is super efficient. Due to its friendly size, it has also shown state-of-the-art token density, which means number of pixels encoded into each visual token. And that is the secret sauce of this model. I have gone into a bit more detail around its architecture in these videos. So just search with MiniCPM version 2.6. So if you go to Ollama's website, you can either search into the model section with MiniCPM, or you could just go to their GitHub page. As you can see, this is the MiniCPM vision model which is now available. But before you run this, you would need to upgrade Ollama. So in this video, first I'm going to show you how you can upgrade the Ollama on your local system, and then we will download this MiniCPM and then we will play around with it. Before I do that, let me give a huge shout out to Massed Compute, who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you're looking to rent a GPU on affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on a range of GPUs. So let me take you to my local system first. So this is my terminal where I'm running Ubuntu 22.04 and I have one GPU card, NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM courtesy Massed Compute. First up, let me quickly show you that I have already Ollama installed, which is not running because I think I restarted my system. So let's quickly do ollama.service, and now if we do Ollama list, we should be able to see that Ollama is running. That's it. I don't have any model at the moment. Okay, so if you do Ollama -- version here, you see that the current version which I am running is 0.3.6. If you go to the releases page of Ollama, you would see that they have this version, the latest one 3.10, and that is what supports MiniCPM vision model and G-Coder and DeepSeek. So first we need to upgrade it. In order to upgrade it, the command is same as we download it or install it first time. So go to Ollama's website, click on download. Whatever your operating system is, grab the command. I have Linux, so let's click on Linux here and then just simply grab this command from here. Let's go back to our command prompt, and from here simply run this. Let's wait for it. It is going to take a minute or so. Okay, so the Ollama has been upgraded, but we need to point the binary. So let's copy it, the new binary. Now if you do Ollama -- version, you will still see that Ollama's version is still 0.3.6, but the client is 3.10. So we also need to upgrade this. It has already been upgraded, by the way, but the thing is that we would need to reload our system daemon plus our service. For that, let me clear the screen first and show you what I mean. So first reload this daemon in Linux, and then simply stop Ollama service, and then start it. And now if you would do Ollama version, you should be able to see that both are 3.10. So let's wait for it. So now our Ollama is upgraded, as you can see here. Let's clear the screen. By the way, if you are using Ollama in Docker, you would need to run this command. I'm not using Docker, so I'm not using it. For Windows and Mac, similar steps. If you have set your environment variables in Windows, you would need to set them and you should be good to go. Okay, so now we have our Ollama upgraded. Let's go back to Ollama's MiniCPM page. Let's grab this MiniCPM vision model. Let's go back to our terminal and then run this. It is going to download it and then it is going to run it. The size is just 4.4 gig. So let's wait for it to finish. And the model is almost downloaded. Now it is verifying the checksum. Shouldn't take too long now. And then we will do Ollama list to verify the model. So Ollama has been, the model has been downloaded. Let me do exit from here. And now if we do Ollama list, you can see MiniCPM Vision version is here. So let me clear the screen. And now let me show you how you can use this. So what I mean is how you can recognize the images, how you can describe the images, or you can do the OCR with this MiniCPM vision model in Ollama. So you see that in this terminal, I am already in my images directory. So in order to describe an image, you need to run this command, Ollama run the model name, and then your prompt, and then the file name of that image. So I'm already in this images directory. So if you look here, this is my image, and this is what I'm going to ask the model to describe. So let me run it. Now, one thing you see that it has added image here and then it is describing it, and look at the description. Very detailed and very spot on. So for example, a silhouetted tree, vibrant sunset, a right side of painting, a flock of bird. So if I show you the image, it is totally grounded and it is telling us the correct picture here, and you can read through it. But we already have know that this model is quite good. Now if I close this, one thing I have noticed in my testing is that sometimes when you don't specify English, sometimes, not always, it gives you response in Chinese sometimes. And I think you can also say it in Chinese. There you go. So it gives you response in the Chinese. Anyway, so let me clear the screen. So this was for when you are describing the image. As I mentioned earlier, you can also do OCR. So just give the any image and then ask it what does the text say. Let's check out. I think I already have this image here in my system. This is the one I'm talking about. So let me move it here, and then we will just try to do it in parallel so that we will see what exactly it is doing. So let me run it. Okay, so it is, sorry, my mistake. I just used the wrong command. You see, I was running lava here. I think I just made a typo. I was copying my command from my notes. So let me give it the proper one. I'm just replacing, bear with me. There you go. So now it should. So now we can compare. So it has taken care of parentheses, percentages, even it has given us these special characters like umlauts on top of it. It has recognized English and other languages. So OCR is pretty good, I would say. Very nice. Let's try out one more prompt. Let me quickly show you the image first. And now in this next example, I'm asking it which building is this, and this is a St. Stephen's Cathedral in Vienna. So let's see. It is a large cathedral, and let's see if I ask it maybe I'll just ask it the location, and there you go. Now it has told me that once I asked it the location, it is telling me it is located in Vienna, Austria, and it's St. Stephen's Cathedral, Stephenstown. So you can see that the model is really cool, and now we can run this in Ollama with great ease, all from the text prompt. So let me know what do you think about it. I will drop the link to this release page in video's description. Go through it, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.